Are you looking to take flight without breaking the bank? Enter the world of budget drones. With advancements in technology, it's now possible to find high-quality drones that won't empty your wallet. Whether you're a budding aerial photographer, an adventurer looking to capture stunning landscapes, or simply want to experience the thrill of flying, there's a budget-friendly option out there for you. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best budget drones available today, highlighting their features, performance, and value for money. Get ready to soar with accessible options that offer incredible experiences without sacrificing quality. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Holy Stone HS440 Drone. The Holy Stone HS440 drone is a remarkable tool for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography. Equipped with a 1080 pixel HD auto-adjustable camera, it enables you to capture stunning, high-quality shots from a bird's-eye perspective effortlessly. Whether you're documenting a family event or capturing picturesque landscapes, the HS440 ensures your moments are brought to life with clarity. With an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes, thanks to its powerful modular battery, you can explore more of your surroundings without constant interruptions. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, and the included carrying case provides the convenience of transporting your drone with ease. User-friendly features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and high-speed rotation make operating the HS440 seamless and enjoyable, even for beginners. Safety is paramount, so features such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold add to your peace of mind while flying. While there may be a slight learning curve with the remote control, your patience and practice will quickly turn you into a proficient pilot. The versatility of this drone allows you to capture a wide range of scenes, making it a fantastic addition to your photography toolkit. In summary, the Holy Stone HS440 combines advanced features, ease of use, and portability, making it a standout choice for both novice and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Discover the magic of flight and capture your world from new heights. Number 4. NEHEME NH525 Plus Drone. If you're on the hunt for an exciting and user-friendly drone experience, look no further than the NEHEME NH525 Plus Foldable Drone. This mini drone is designed to enhance your aerial adventures with its impressive features, starting with an 80 degrees adjustable 1080 pixel HD camera. You'll be able to capture stunning, crystal clear images and enjoy real-time footage right on your smartphone with advanced first-person view transmission technology. Safety is a top priority with the NEHEME NH525, equipped with 4 propeller guards that provide peace of mind during your flights. With 2 intelligent batteries, you have a generous total of 26 minutes of flight time to explore. Enjoy the freedom to roam with a control distance of up to 100 meters. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a complete beginner, this drone is perfect for you. The one-key takeoff and landing make flying a breeze, while features like headless mode, speed adjustment, and altitude hold ensure a smooth experience. Plus, the hand gesture control simplifies taking selfies from above. Want to impress your friends? The NEHEME NH525 allows for 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations, and you can even draw flight paths on your app for added fun. Its ergonomic remote fits comfortably in your hand, and the compact carrying case makes it ideal for family outings or trips. Though the flight time may seem short for some, the user-friendly design and exceptional features far outweigh this minor drawback. Elevate your aerial adventures with the NEHEME NH525 Plus Drone. Your next unforgettable experience awaits. Number 3. Holy Stone Mini Drone. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is a fantastic choice for families looking to introduce their children to the exciting world of flying drones. Designed for ages 14 and up, this ultra-lightweight drone can be easily handled by kids as young as 8, especially with your guidance. Imagine the joy in your child's eyes as they learn to navigate this engaging device, thanks to its simple setup and indoor-friendly design. One of the drone's key features is its altitude hold function, which ensures stable flights. This means your child can focus on flying without the worry of the drone suddenly dropping if they accidentally release the controls. As their confidence builds, they can even try impressive aerial flips. While the Holy Stone Mini Drone doesn't have a camera, it makes for an excellent first racing drone, perfect for children eager to refine their flying skills. Built with robust propeller guards, it withstands little accidents against furniture, walls, and ceilings, maximizing its durability. The package also includes batteries, ensuring hours of uninterrupted fun. Many parents suggest buying multiple drones, fostering friendly races among siblings or family members. However, this drone is best suited for indoor use, as outdoor flying could lead to misadventures involving trees or bushes. Empower your child to explore unmanned aerial vehicle technology while enjoying safe, fun, learning experiences with the Holy Stone mini drone. Number 2. DJI Air3 Fly Drone. The DJI Air3 is crafted to enhance your aerial photography and videography journey, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience. With a remarkable 46-minute battery life, you're free to explore and capture stunning visuals without the constant interruption of recharging. The drone's innovative 2-camera system opens up a world of creative possibilities, empowering you to take diverse and dynamic shots that take your projects to new heights. For an even more enriching experience, consider the Fly More Combo package, which features the DJI RC2 controller with a built-in screen. This upgrade eliminates reliance on your phone's display, offering you a more intuitive and user-friendly interface for real-time viewing. One of the outstanding features of the Air 3 is its advanced obstacle sensing technology. With side sensors, the Air 3 can identify potential hazards from all angles, making the active track feature particularly valuable. You can confidently allow the drone to autonomously follow and film your chosen subject while seamlessly avoiding obstacles. Additionally, the Air 3 maintains impressive stabilization even in moderate winds, enabling you to focus on capturing breathtaking cinematography. Its compact dimensions, folding to just 8 by 3.5 by 3.25 inches and weighing about 1.5 pounds, ensure that it's highly portable. Slip it into your backpack and you're ready for your next adventure. With the DJI Air 3, unleash your creative potential and elevate your aerial storytelling wherever you go. Number 1. Holy Stone HS110D Drone. Capture your world like never before with the Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone. This innovative drone features a 1080 pixel field of view, 120 degrees HD first-person view camera, allowing you to take stunning, distortion-free photos and videos that you can easily share through the dedicated app. Imagine a flying experience where you don't have to constantly adjust your altitude to get the perfect shot. With the altitude hold function, your drone will maintain a stable position in midair, making it an ideal choice for beginners and anyone looking for a smooth, worry-free flight. Navigating your drone is a breeze, even if it flies out of sight thanks to the headless mode. Plus, you can impress friends and family with 3D flips, an exciting feature that adds an element of fun for pilots of all ages. What truly stands out is the range of mobile control options available through the app, from voice control to gesture control, and even trajectory and gravity sensor features. You'll discover new ways to enhance your drone experience. Taking selfies with a simple hand gesture feels both futuristic and effortless. With 2 modular batteries providing around 20 minutes of flight time for each, swapping batteries is quick and easy. While it could benefit from a bit more battery life, the Holy Stone HS110D delivers remarkable value with its rich array of features. Explore and elevate your aerial photography game with this impressive drone. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which drone you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.